If you're new to online business, the fastest and easiest way to start making money is through coaching. To coach, you don't have to have a membership site built. You don't have to have a course built. You can literally just say, like, I'm open for coaching. But the big question is, how do you get clients, especially if you're new to online business? When I first started this business 3 years ago, I didn't have any products. I didn't have any affiliate promotions. I didn't have a membership site, nothing. But I needed to start generating revenue, so I started coaching people pretty quickly. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to start coaching people, even when you don't feel like you're quite ready or that people are going to want to be coached from you. I had a recent comment on one of my videos where somebody said, help, I need to make $1,800 a month in 3 months. Is that doable? And I said, it's not if you're talking about passive income. It doesn't happen that fast. But if you're talking about coaching, then yes, 3 clients at $600 a month, you could be making that $1,800 a month pretty quick. And he said, I think this is a good idea. I happen to be watching your video on what keeps people from starting their online business. And you mentioned teaching/coaching, and it seems to be my fit. But here's my problem, and you may relate to this. He says, I don't have a list to market a course to, especially a high ticket product like $600 coaching. Any advice? His problem is the same as a lot of people. They get into this and they say, yeah, coaching sounds awesome, and I would totally do that. I would go out and get coaching clients for sure. But who's gonna take me as their coach when I don't have a list to market to? So in this video, I'm gonna talk about a simple way to solve that problem. If you stick around to the end, you'll have a clear path if you wanna start making money like quicker than it takes to build a course, build a membership site, those kinds of things. I'll give you the one key to success, the key that unlocks the potential of like getting flooded with potential coaching clients versus where you might be now, where you're going, I'd love to coach, but I just don't have anybody that is willing to pay me. We'll dive into all that in this video. My name's Lane. I love to help digital entrepreneurs start and grow their online businesses. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and go to lanesebring.com/supersimple. Pick up my free super simple guide to your first $500 online. This is the exact path of how to start and grow an online business and make it profitable. It's the way I built my business to 6 figures and beyond. You can check that out for free, lanesebring.com/supersimple. So what would I say to this guy who commented, and what would I say to you who might be saying, I wanna make money, I wanna do it fast, $600 a month per client with 3 clients making $1,800 a month coaching. That sounds awesome, but right now, it kind of also seems like pie in the sky because who's gonna pay me that much to coach them? And I get it. So what is the key between where you might be, and this commenter in particular, like where he might be, and getting to that point where you actually have people willing to pay you for coaching? And it's simple. It's so simple that it's almost offensively simple. It's so simple that you might be like, ugh. It can't be that easy. Yes, it is. It's content. Content is the difference maker. Content is what proves your worth. When you make content and people find that content and it helps them, it solves their problem, and then they realize that you offer paid coaching or paid consulting, or you offer an hour where they can pay you to talk to you, people will be willing to do that. Trust me, when you have content that builds your know, like, and trust factor, they know you, they like you, and they trust you. They know you because you keep showing up and making content. They like you because you're likable. Wow. Okay? Like you're a friendly face, right? Or your writing is really compelling, or your videos are really helpful. And they trust you because your information has not let them down. What you've said to do in your videos has worked. What you've suggested on your podcast, they've put it into practice and it's worked for them. And this process can happen faster than you might think. So building a course takes a long time. It just is an animal that you have to wrestle to the ground. It takes a lot of discipline. It is not an easy thing to do if you do it right. It's hard. Building a membership site can be very difficult. There's a lot that's involved in that. But coaching comes down to just making the offer. So if you are not yet doing content, that is the first step. but almost immediately when you start making content, you can offer coaching. And here's a little trick to do it. You don't even need an email list. You don't need to do fancy marketing. In every piece of content that you do, at the end of it, just say, hey, I offer paid coaching. If you would like to look into that to see if I can help you, jump on a 15-minute discovery call with me. My Calendly link is in the description below. So let me break this down. Number one, you don't need a lead magnet, right? I didn't talk about a landing page, didn't talk about a lead magnet. I literally just said at the end of your videos or at the beginning of your videos, just say, hey, I offer paid coaching, right? So you're just letting people know, like, this is something I do. So that's the first thing. The second thing is you're letting them know what the process is. If you're interested to see if I can help you that way, let's jump on a 15-minute free discovery call. Okay, so that's step two. So they can get on a free discovery call with you for 15 minutes where they can talk to you to try to assess if you're the type of person that could help them with their problem. And then number three, your Calendly link is in the description below. Calendly is a website. It's free. You can pay for plans, but you don't have to. You can set up a calendar where people can literally put themselves on your calendar at the dates and times that you allow and attach a Zoom call to it and everything where they put themselves on your calendar. You show up, do the 15-minute call. So far what we've done is we've gone from crap, I need to make money, to a plan. And the plan includes we're making content. At least once a week, we're getting in front of a camera and we're saying words. We're taking that video and we're putting it up online and we're telling people that it's there. That's step one. And in those videos, we're telling people, hey, I'm helping you with XYZ, but I also do paid coaching to help you with XYZ. And if you want to see how that might work for you, link below to schedule a discovery call. So that's all the steps so far. Now, what do you do on the discovery call? Discovery call is for you to try to assess if you can help that person. And it's also to communicate to that person how you're gonna help them. So they tell you on the discovery call, hey, I've been watching your channel, and let's say your channel is about marketing. Hey, I've been watching your channel. I wanna learn about marketing. You seem to know a lot about it. You seem to have a background in it. I wanna know, could you help me grow my business, do this, do that? In that discovery call, you're taking notes, like literally on paper. You're thinking, okay, I can help them with this. I can help them with this. I can help them with that. And so at the end of the call, you might say something like, hey, Joe, Susie, whatever their name is.
Hi, my name's Andy.
I think that if we were to work together and I could help you with this problem and I could help you get over this obstacle, and here's where I think we could kind of go together in a few sessions together. And then you tell them what it's gonna cost, or maybe you tell them in an email what it's gonna cost, and they can let you know if they're diggity down for that. It's that simple. And I did this process when I first started in this business, and I immediately got 2 clients. And not just 2 clients paying me like little, they were paying a lot. There were $2,500 packages that these people paid, and a couple of them re-upped on the packages. So it turned into about a $10,000 situation between the 2 of them in 2 packages that all originated from me just saying, hey, I offer paid coaching. And I had barely gotten started, but my content was helpful. And because it was helpful, there were people willing to pay me for the time to talk to them, to hear their unique situation, and to give them my coaching. So that is what I would say. If you need to make money like right now and you are building your business, which I would still suggest to do, like still do all the things that we do in online business, have a content plan, build out your products, build out your email list, your funnels, do all that stuff, because that's really the way to go. It makes it way more fun, way more passive. But if you just need to make money right now, this is the path. You let people know you're doing coaching, you let them put themselves on your calendar, you do the 15-minute call, you tell them what it's gonna be like if you were to coach them, and you make an offer. And they can say yes or no, but what I have found is that if they are eager enough to jump on a call with you and go through that whole process, most of the time, if your prices are right and what you're offering is on point, you will get clients. So go for that and let me know how it works down below. I wanna point you to this video that I did also about coaching that maps out a similar process like this. If you're kind of into this, click right there on that video and we'll talk more about coaching, and I'll see you there.